This has to be the best looking smartphone that costs less than 250,000 naira or $166. Meet the TECNO Pova 6 Neo. It costs 237,000 naira or $158. It has a massive 7,000 mAh battery. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset. It has 8GB of RAM and a 1080p display. Now, is this smartphone worth buying? Well, let's find out. The TECNO Pova 6 Neo comes in 3 colors. This is the starry silver color. You get a TPU case, an earpiece, a USB Type-C cable, and a 33 watts fast charger. Now, this smartphone is heavy at 226 grams, and that's because it has a massive 7,000 mAh battery cell. The rear and frame are made from plastic, and the rear scratches easily and attracts fingerprint and smudges, so it's best to use the TPU case that this smartphone comes with. The Pova 6 Neo is an IP53 dust and splash resistant smartphone, so it can withstand some water splashing on it, and that's a good thing. Moving to the external features, it has dual stereo speakers that sound good. It has a micro SD card slot and dual SIM card support. At the bottom, it has a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The volume and power buttons are located on the right side. The power button is also the fingerprint scanner, and the unlocking speed is fast. It also has the face unlock feature, and the unlocking speed is equally fast. Now just look at how massive the display is. It's huge. It's a 6.78-inch 1080p IPS LCD panel with a refresh rate of 120Hz. The display is good for consuming content, and with its dual stereo speakers, you're going to enjoy watching content on this smartphone. The display is colorful even though it's an IPS LCD panel. Now for brightness, it's fair. At 580 nits, you're going to struggle to see the display under direct sunlight. Now, performance is one area where this smartphone scores high for a budget smartphone. Like I said earlier, it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset. The Antutu score is around 437K, not bad for a budget smartphone, and with 8GB of RAM, this smartphone can handle most apps you use daily. But what about gaming? Starting with PUBG, it ran the game at HD graphics and high frame rate. It maintained a steady 30 FPS, and after 30 minutes of gameplay, the smartphone temperature rose to 41 degrees, which is not bad. For Mobile Legends, it ran the game at super frame rate and ultra graphics. What surprised me is it ran this game at 85 FPS. It should be 120 FPS, but the gameplay was smooth nonetheless, and the phone didn't get hot. For Call of Duty Mobile, it ran the game at medium graphics and high frame rate. It maintained 40 FPS and the gameplay was smooth. Moving over to Call of Duty Warzone, the FPS was around 30 and the gameplay was alright, but the graphics was not given. For the operating system, it's running Android 14 with iOS 14.0. It does come with some bloatwares, but you can always uninstall some of them and disable others. For the front-facing camera, it comes with an 8-megapixel shooter, and the pictures it captures are just there. The front camera does well when you take it outdoors. The colors look a bit flat. Portrait shots look good, and they have good object separation. So here's a video from the front-facing camera of the TECNO Pova 6 Neo, shooting in 1080p 30 FPS. What do you guys think about the video quality? Let me know in the comment section below. It has stabilization, guys. I'm walking. Stabilization is turned on, and yeah. So what do you guys think about the stabilization? Let me know in the comment section below. Moving to the rear camera, the main camera is a 50-megapixel shooter, and it also has a depth camera that doesn't capture pictures. The pictures captured by the main camera are really good. It shows good colors. The HDR is not bad. Pictures of plants and trees look very good, and pictures of humans are not bad either. It does have the sky swap feature where it changes the sky. It has a dual video mode where it can simultaneously record videos using the front and rear camera. So here's a video from the rear camera shooting in 2K 30 FPS. What do you guys think about the video quality? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, moving on to one of the key selling points of this smartphone, and that's the massive battery. It has a 7,000 mAh battery cell, and I wasn't able to kill it in one day. The battery is massive and it will last you 2 days easily, but when it comes to charging, it's a bit slow. It's going to take over 2 hours 30 minutes to charge this smartphone with a 33 watts fast charger. So in conclusion, the TECNO Pova 6 Neo is a good budget smartphone with a very good design. It comes with a 1080p display that is sharp and clear. The processor is good for a budget smartphone, the rear camera is decent, and the massive battery will last 2 days easily. Now for the negative, the front camera is not that great except you snap pictures outdoors, and the battery charging time is slow. That's about it. Around the 250,000 naira segment, most smartphones will come with a G99 chipset, but they don't come with a 7,000 mAh battery, and that's where the smartphone comes in. So that's my review of the TECNO Pova 6 Neo. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Valor Reviews, signing out.